Hey folks, I bought a Delco AC Delco oil filter for my 2023 6.6 GMC engine, and I put it on and it leaked. Now I've been putting oil filters on V8 Chevy engines forever, never had any problems, and I figured it out why. This oil filter here is from the dealership. This oil filter here is one I got on Amazon. Look at this center part on the Amazon. If you look closely, that tube where the threads are cut is not centered in the oil filter. This is the oil filter from the dealership. It's hard to judge, but it's centered right in the middle. I'm trying to. This is the second one I bought two on Amazon. Went on vacation, changed the oil, went on vacation. This was a while back. Walk out of the hotel, oil on the ground. Went to the auto parts store, got an oil filter, same thing, AC Delco. I was, I couldn't do it, oil goes everywhere. So I went next door to the car place. He changed it for free, no problems. He didn't know what was wrong. He figured, well, you must have overfilled the oil or something. And, I guess I may have, no, I know I didn't. But anyway, this is the problem. Because I just put this one on, and I noticed when you put it on, it generally you kind of put it on, eyeball it straight, and it threads right on, no problem. This one I really paid attention to when I put it on, and it feels like you might start cross-threading it or something. You got to be extra careful. And that's the only thing I can come up with, why this leaks. Now I had another oil filter from the dealership, and I put it on, and it went right on, and no leaks at all. Everything was fine. So anyway, that's that. And I noticed, see how this is crushed very nicely. This was on there, hand tight. Well, one turn after seating, and the rubber. I thought maybe the rubber, it's an old. I don't know, but that's what I think's wrong with these filters. So if you got a couple filters you're gonna put on from Amazon, you might check them out. I watched a video from Mr. Heavy Chevy, and he put an LS engine in his '57 Chevy. And just in passing, he mentioned that he bought a Amazon oil filter and it leaked, and he was surprised. And that kind of got me to thinking. I wonder, if that was the problem. So anyway, just today I did this oil filter thing here, and I think I've come up with the problem. So anyway, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you later. Have a good one.